Hey, welcome to Southern Gunpla. So I'm going to use this RGM79G GEM type to show you how to do some dry transfer decals today. We're going to take the standard Federation shield and just transfer the mobile suit team number onto the big open tan space right there, like all the Federation suits usually have, or Federation ground suits. First, we're going to need some type of masking tape. Of course, your dry transfer decals. A X-Acto knife, any kind of hobby knife, sharp knife. So we're going to make sure the decals stay on the paper while we're cutting. Just cut along the line wherever you need to transfer it at. There you go. Make sure you place it, get it good in place. We're going to use a few pieces of masking tape, just cut off a few squares, whatever, a few rectangles, and we'll use that to hold it in place to make sure the decal does not shift on us as we transfer it. Alright, then take a blunt object, end of a brush, a coin, something like that, and you need to scrape down all over the decal. Make sure you get good coverage, just keep going over it, going over it, going over it, and eventually you'll be able to tell from a color variation that you are all the way across. It's really a feel thing. The more you do it, the more you'll start to figure it out. This one came out extremely well. Just keep getting coverage on it, keep going, keep going. All right, so we'll see how it came out. You can sort of see some of the color variation. Wham, there we go. There's your dry transfer decal. Thanks for watching. Consider hitting that like button, subscribe button if you'd like to see more tips and tricks on Gunpla in the future. Thanks for watching.